Bullish Theta organization cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of $4.97 and $9.39 by 2030. Market examiners accept Theta could reach $3.87 by 2025. Bearish Theta organization market cost expectation for 2023 is 88 cents. Theta organization presentation. Theta's local digital money is additionally called Theta. The symbolic powers the organization and boosts clients to share assets. There are two sorts of hubs on the Theta organization: standard hubs and asset-rich gatekeeper hubs. Normal hubs procure rewards for sharing their assets, while gatekeeper hubs acquire much bigger prizes for confirming blocks and bundling video transfers. Theta organization. One of the critical elements of the Theta network is its utilization of edge reserving. Edge reserving includes putting away frequently mentioned information nearer to the client instead of at an incorporated area. This lessens inertness and works on streaming quality. By decentralizing substance conveyance, Theta can give a preferred streaming encounter over customary CDNs. One more significant element of the Theta network is its capacity to deal with a lot of traffic with insignificant effect on the watcher experience. This is made conceivable by Theta's P2P network organizing innovation, what eliminates web clog by conveying traffic among different ways all the while. How Theta functions. The primary thing to comprehend about Theta is that it's not only a video real-time stage like YouTube or Jerk. It's likewise a decentralized organization controlled by the blockchain. This implies that clients can share transmission capacity and processing assets on a P2P premise. As such, Theta is intended to be a more productive and decentralized approach to web-based video. So how can it function? The key is in the utilization of edge servers. Edge servers are fundamentally PCs that are sent at the edge of the organization, nearer to the client. By doing this, Theta can lessen dormancy and work on streaming quality. While Theta's mainnet deals with an agreement system that permits clients to approve exchanges and procure rewards, the stage furnishes excellent streams with low inactivity, and clients can procure compensations for giving data transmission assets. The group behind Theta is capable and has serious areas of strength for a record in the crypto and blockchain industry. Looking forward, there are a few impetuses that could keep on driving the cost of Theta vertical. In the first place, the reception of 5G will work on streaming quality and lead to additional top-notch streams being conveyed over Theta's decentralized organization. Second, as additional organizations take on big business conferencing fueled by Theta, interest for Theta will increment. At last, as the crypto market keeps on developing, financial backers will progressively see Theta as a decent long-haul venture because of its solid essentials. The ongoing economic situations are bullish for Theta, and the cost is supposed to keep on ascending before long. I accept that Theta is a wise speculation at its ongoing value because of its utilization case in the video web-based industry as well as its accomplished group. I anticipate that it should arrive at new highs in 2023 as additional individuals become mindful of its true capacity. Theta organization is as of now worth $1.11 USD. Theta has moved 3.48% as of now with an exchanging volume of $17,332,348. Theta organization is as of now positioned 48 among all digital currencies with a market capitalization of $1,105,066,717 USD. Using the overall strength file, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal union disparity from the outline above, we can decide cost designs for Theta organization to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Theta organization value forecast. What is Theta organization's not so distant future? Can this token support its worth or potentially expansion in cost? We should investigate a few master points of view and examinations to get a feeling of where Theta might head. The live Theta organization cost today is affected by various elements including news about the crypto and blockchain industry as well as big business conferencing and computerized publicizing patterns. Different things, for example, marking Theta tokens or utilizing the organization's transmission capacity assets can likewise influence Theta's cost revelation components and lead to increments or diminishes in Theta's worth on some random day. Taking a gander at Theta from a drawn-out viewpoint, we accept the coin as a wise speculation at its ongoing cost. We anticipate that the cost of Theta should keep on ascending before long and arrive at new all-time highs before the year's over. There are a few motivations behind why we accept that Theta has the potential for critical development before very long. The quantity of web clients, right off the bat, keeps on developing quickly, particularly in nations like India and China. Also, use levels in created markets like the US are as of now very high. However, there is still space for development as additional individuals become happy with utilizing on the web administration. Theta is likewise profiting from positive feeling encompassing blockchain innovation. The stage utilizes blockchain to furnish excellent streams with low dormancy, and clients can acquire prizes for giving data transfer capacity assets. The group behind Theta is capable and has major areas of strength for a record in the crypto and blockchain industry. Our cost expectation gauges utilize constant Theta organization market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost forecasts in view of current market action. Theta Organization Value Forecast 2023. Theta Organization, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding cryptographic forms of money to rise this year. The Theta cost gauge for 2023 expects a critical expansion in the year's last part, potentially coming to $1.66. Likewise with other digital currencies, the ascent will be steady, however no significant drops are normal. Averaging $1.55 in cost is very aggressive. Yet it is plausible sooner rather than later given expected coordinated efforts and progressions. Theta is supposed to have a base worth of $1.33. Theta Organization Value Expectation 2024 out of 2024. Theta Organization Theta cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the possible declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of Theta will before long outperform $2.76. Nonetheless, we ought to hold back to check whether the Theta's overall strength list emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, Theta will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $2.21 and a typical exchanging cost of $2.43. Theta Organization Value Forecast 2025. Assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $3.87 and Theta might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. Theta is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $3.54 and a low of $3.32 in 2025. Theta Organization Value Expectation 2026. On the off chance that Theta Organization effectively supports market feeling among digital money devotees, the Theta coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. The Theta is supposed to reach and outperform its unequaled high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual money will be valued at $4.97, with a base cost of $4.42 and a typical cost of $4.64. Theta Organization Value Expectation 2027. After some broad gauging and specialized examination, we gauge the Theta cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $5.75 by 2027, with a base cost of $5.53 anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, Theta has a most extreme value worth of $6.08. Theta Organization Value Expectation 2028. Because representing things to come associations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $6.85. In the event that Theta figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a greatest